Hey guys, don't look at the elephant in the room. Okay, I finally got it. Arrived yesterday while I was doing my nails. My last order from the whole big huge sale from Sparkling Co. My winnings from Poshy Nail Designs and a small order from Ebony's Plush Creations. So excited for these because Christmas is over. What the hell is today? Today's Sunday after Christmas. So she always sends it in a cute little organza bag. And this is her card. Sorry, I changed the angle of my camera so it would be closer to me. So that is that. That's Ebony's. And look it. Because winter just officially started on the 21st. Plaid foils. This one is so cute. I didn't even notice that. There's a little heart. I can't see the camera, but I hope you can see that. Oh, they're all pretty. This one's cool looking. Oh, I can't wait. They're gonna make some fabulous freaking nails. Oh, I'll leave Ebony link down below. That organza bag over there to go with my pile of organza bags. She did ask me to be an ambassador, but I'm just not comfortable with stuff like that. Ooh. I forget, there was a post and there was a whole bunch of stuff that you could win. There was like a bunch of brands came into it. And there were certain days or certain giveaways and stuff like that. I won number 4, which was Poshy Nail Designs, which this giveaway was in Poshy Nail Designs. I can't freaking see. It seems like, okay. So let me get these open. Okay, so we got that. Oh, I'm excited about this. I feel so stupid with these rubber gloves. Okay. Look at that nice cleanup brush. The crunch of the starch breaking its little soul. That's a gorgeous cleanup brush. And it does say Poshy Nail Designs on there. That's good for like when you're putting the decals and they're like on the edge, you just tap in with acetone. Nice. I'm stoked for that. I don't need to keep that protected in that anymore. And then we got a thank you. I did order some fall ones because she had some really pretty fall ones. So we got Fall Breeze and Autumn Leaves. Look at how gorgeous these are. You can still rock these. You have to wait till fall. And then, of course, there's always some extras on the back. Oh, look at these. Oh, gorgeous. I love fall most of all. These look like, I don't know if they're roses or mums or something. I don't know. I don't really know my flowers. But I would still wear these. I would still wear these. And then that's the back with the extras. What the hell, man? I'm so turning girly. This one is a bunch of roses in different colors. I like the half nail with just the rosebuds. Those are pretty. And then, oh, those were called Ring Around the Rosy. This is called Watch Me Bloom. And pink roses, and I think white baby breath with a gray background. Those are really pretty. Those are really pretty. Oof, I'm so happy for that. So happy. Couldn't believe I won that. And I probably would have missed it because I don't log into Facebook every day. And I don't know. You can scan that. I'll leave the link down below to our Facebook group and all that. So let's get into... I placed 3 orders. 3 orders, and with the discounts, nothing came over $60 in that 3 orders. Not in total, but each one was not more than $30, $60. So we got more liquids here. I already got the other set of liquids that was in my U.S. winter thing. I did order a black and a white gel polish that just arrived yesterday. And I ordered gel top coat and gel base coat because I didn't have their base coat. I had their top coat and their matte top coat. So I can put that aside and put the base coat up because I found some in my drawer. I was like, oh, you dumbass. Liquids, base, solidify, base, and top. I can put those away. And I got everything swatched. So they give you a business card, a little thing, like, because there was kits. I'll show you them. So if you're new to stamping, that was the directions. It's another business card. It's another how-to. Hey, sparkler business card. And I got 2 of these. Happy Holidays. Happy Holidays. Yay! It's Happy Holiday. Alright, let me get these divided out. I'm not opening each one, but hold on a second. Okay, these are the holiday ones. There was 𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎'𝑠, which is this one. Don't Opal Till Christmas. I'm Feeling Pine. Holly Jolly Opal, which is this one. And Slay What is this gray one. This one was a separate one. Just came, I think the ones I just mentioned were, that came with a set and liquids for $54. And it came with a code, $18 code. That's the one. And then you got Holiday Lights right here, which is this one. And then they had like a 3-piece one, which is Classy and Fabulous. Where I can't find it. Sparkle Into the New Year, which is this one. This one is Bring On the Bubbly. I think Classy and... It's right here was the next one. Just beautiful, like, brickish red, traditional red. I don't know. It's very pretty. And then the extras were, like the freebies, was Sugar Cookie Fierce, which is this white one with the red and green. The camera's going crazy because all the stuff. And then Holly Yay Fierce is this silver one. So those were the holiday ones. And then there were 2 greens that I think are now in the main line, which are these 2. Forever, this is Happy Holidays. And this one has like shimmer. It's not going to show up. And then we have this nice green. Yeah, see there's a shimmer in it. And Forever Evergreen is, it looks lighter in the pot. It's very pretty. So these were the 2 things. And then I got, because I didn't want to, you know, buy the Christmas, a couple of the Christmas kits, just because you're getting a lot of dips and liquids together. I just didn't think that was right. I know some people did that, and that's, you know, good for them. I'm happy for them. But that's just not what I wanted to do. I got 1 kit, and then I got, they have kits on there already where you get the liquids, and then you get a 1 ounce of a color of your choice. So I was looking for, like, a pink that will be for me. I betted on Blushing Bride. It's not bad. It's almost the color that I'm wearing right now, which is a gel. But that's 1 ounce of that. And then I got Icicle Opal, which is from the I Want It All. The I Want It All stuff that I didn't get before I signed up for I Want It All. So there's Icicle Opal. There's Party in the USA. This blue one is like that rose gold one that I got in that rose gold bag. And Wish Upon a Unicorn, which is like a white with shimmer in it. And Walk of Fame. Where the hell is Walk of Fame? I don't know. It's in here somewhere. But anyways. Oh, this is it. Right here. This is making the camera go a little bit crazy. And then I got a bunch of pastels. Well, I already showed you that big jar. But I got pastel sunshine, mint to be, breakfast at Tiffany's. I've already used that one. Cotton candy. I've used that one. That's cotton candy. Sugar plum fairy, which is like a lavender. This one I've used it, I think. Periwinkle promise, which is that one. And petal pink, which I used in that winter pastel mani. It's right here. And then there is freaking gorgeous sage. Look at that green. It looks light, but it also looks like a traditional Christmas color, like old Christmas. I don't know. It's freaking gorgeous. So I got that. And then the last ones that came in were over here, over here, over here. That's that green one. Holiday Fierce. Okay, so we got Deception, which is just like a dark purple that borders on black. We got Sip and Dip, which is this wine color. And then we got Twilight Teal, this one. That's it. I went back and got some darker colors. What's this one? Midnight Sea. Very pretty. It looks similar to this one, but they're completely different. Then I got a couple light ones. We got Daiquiri Ice. This has like some shimmery glow in it. I got a Shimmer Clear, which is this. It's just a clear with a shimmer. And then I got Pocahontas's glass slipper because I have a collection of Disney princess glass slipper collection. This is the one that I thought I got when I used Jasmine's glass slipper. So, all in all, these are them. There were a few that I got that I put in the giveaway for the U.S. winner. I do have an extra Holiday Fierce that I'll be putting in for the international. The international, like if you're not into dipping, just like let me know because I'm going to be sending acrylics. It will be eye gel acrylics that I had divvied up a long time ago and bagged them and a few other things. So yeah, the international people. If not, then I can just send money or a gift card or something, whatever. But this is my Black Friday, my Christmas that I did for myself. I mean, you can't beat the price. I wasn't going to get it better anywhere else. And yeah, so can't wait to use all of these. I'll leave the links to Ebony down below, Poshy Nail Designs. If you watch me and you're international, which means outside the USA, just let me know so I know because it'll just be a random video. Like I don't post a giveaway video. I just pop up and pick a video and run that through the random generator thing. And I have the liquids and everything that will be going to. I hope those can be shipped. And some other bibbly bobs. And if that's not your jam, then you can let me know. If you don't dip, you're not into acrylic. I can't vouch for the eye gel, like which one's better. I mean, they're all good for dip, but I don't know which one's good with monomer. If that's your thing, if working with acrylic is not dip, you're using the monomer. Anyways, I'll sit here yapping the whole freaking time. So that's it, guys. I just want to share that with you. I hope everybody had a lovely holiday, and yeah, I hope you continue to watch as I practice and work on myself and my journey on nails. And yes, it's always on this hand because this hand, it's like I can't hold it in certain positions. It's hard to keep it straight like that. My hand usually needs to be like this because I have tendonitis. That's why I like to work with this hand, then try to do something on this hand because I can't even pose it right to even take a fucking picture of it. So I just take nice care of this hand and then I do this hand. Okay, too much information. Now I'm yapping. All right, have a good one, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, do all that YouTube shit. Bye.